Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash. I'm a Twitter next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold is still trading inside a range after the NFP as well. And my voice may sound a little bit different because I'm suffering from a little cold here. So my voice is a little weird, okay, for the last 1 or 2 days. Yesterday I could not upload a video because of the voice only. Okay, anyways, this is the chart of gold, and we can see it that after NFP market closed around 5175. Okay, this is the last traded price, or the LTP. So the market opening is going to be very important, because if market opens with good momentum bullishness, we can expect gold to continue the upside, because the war is going on, but still we can see that gold is turning in a range, and buyers, okay, a little bit worried right now, including me as well, because though we are sitting on buy position right now, but we can see that gold, in gold, the momentum is missing. Okay, so we are expecting that, okay, maybe market will show some good moves. Anyways, please stay in touch with the news also, because as we all know, things are not normal right now. Okay, any escalation, okay, will have a direct impact on the chart of gold. Okay, and first of all, let's pray to God that things are back to normal very soon. Okay, and we can see here gold reclaims gains after jobs data. Gold prices climb over 5120 per ounce on Friday as weak Feb labor market data fuel concerns about an impending economic slowdown, causing investors to seek refuge in non-yielding assets despite lingering inflation pressures. So after the NFP data, we saw some little bit of upside, but still gold was unable to cross the range here. If you look at a daily chart of gold, you can see the daily chart of gold, the market is still very much bullish here. No change in structure, no change in trend here. So if you are a patient trader, position trader holding buy on gold, you can hold your buy position on gold, because gold is still very much bullish. But yes, you need to be very much patient, because you can see here, unlike last few months, okay, the moves are not very clean. You need to be patient and hold your buy on gold if you are a positional trader. And if you are a swing trader like me, then obviously, not like me, okay, if you're a swing trader, okay, then you need to be careful. And I will suggest you that swing traders, obviously they prefer to ride the swings of the market, but there's a high chance that market will break the range very soon. So if you are a swing trader, then it will be better for you to wait for the market to either break the upside here, or market to go below the range here. Okay, you'll get some better moves. And my dear friends, if you're looking for a reliable forex trading platform so that you can trade with peace of mind, you can consider opening your account with Vantage Markets. Vantage Market is one of the most reputed broker globally, and they also have more than 5 million registered users. If you're from India, then obviously options are extremely limited for you. Then also you can consider Vantage Markets, because right now Vantage is the best option for Indians from safety perspective. If you're wondering that, Avilash, recently there have been a lot of net banking UPI issues, you must keep in mind that the problem is not with the broker. The problem is with the process. Forex is not legal in India. As a result, the brokers use third-party deposit and withdrawal. That's why there are issues. And obviously, because of government of India, okay, these problems are going to increase in the future. Otherwise, Vantage is the best forex trading platform in India and also globally right now. And check out their reviews also. Okay, thousands and thousands of people have given their reviews, and they are happily trading. So feel free to open your account with Vantage Market. The link will be in the description. Use our referral and also get access to our WhatsApp community as well. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. And if you're a day trader like me, okay, then you need to stick to the levels. As I said, the market opening is going to be very important, because here on the chart of gold we have the next resistance around 51902, 5200. If market opens with a lot of bullishness, if market opens above 5200, you can expect the market to go up. Okay, but if we get a silent opening, then obviously 5190 to 5200 will still be a resistance for the market. So the market opening is going to be important, because if market opens with a gap up, then obviously market will crush 5200 and it will open above it. And in case of a silent opening, 5190 to 5200 will be the resistance. And in a market condition like this, the problem is that we get the best levels, okay, either at the support or at the resistance. But as a day trader, okay, we also need some trading opportunities. So the best support, okay, if you are looking for a good buy position, then the best support is around 5050. Okay, the purple line that you see here, this is the best support on the chart of gold, and on 5050 5055 you'll get the best support, because this is the support. Maximum buyers are present around this area, but God knows when market will be coming down to this level. So we also have some immediate support levels, but they are not very reliable. So on Monday, if you see market coming down with low volume, then you can expect the dotted lines here to work. Otherwise, just skip it. So it depends on the volume. If volume is low, you can expect them to work. You can go for a bounce. The first level where you can look for a minor support is around 5132, and the second level is around 51052 5100. Okay, so these are the two support levels where we are looking for a buy position on Monday if market comes down with lower volume, because in a sideways market, entering on the middle of the chart is not a very good idea. Okay, but still we are expecting some temporary buy or 1 to 2 green candles here. Okay, if the market remains low. Otherwise 5050 is the only support logically, but 5050 is far away, so we are expecting to get some quick buying opportunities. 5105 5100 and 5132. Okay, so these are the buy positions if market comes down. If market goes up from here, then I think 5200, okay, will play a very crucial role. Personally, I do not have any plan to take a sell position around 5190 5200, but it depends on you. Okay, if you feel that you can take the risk, you can look for a sell position around 5190 5200. If you see the market is showing price rejection from above, if your strategy allows you. Okay, otherwise I think it will be better for us to look for buy and pullback. Suppose if a breakout comes, then it will be better for us to buy at pullback. Means when 5200 5200 will become the new support, means when the previous resistance will become the new support, it will be safer for us to enter. Now everything depends on the market opening. Now if market goes for a silent opening, then obviously we need to wait, and 5190 5200 will still act as a resistance. Okay, if market goes for a big breakout, you can buy at pullback. Buying at market opening, that to a breakout can be risky, so we are not considering as of now. Depends on the market opening. If market comes down, 5050 is the best support, but obviously it's far away, so we are looking for support around 513233 or 5100 5105, this area as well. As of now, just wait for the market to, okay, break the range here. If you're wondering, Avilash, you have said so many things, but what is the trend of the market here? As a position trader, the trend of the market is still bullish for you. There is no doubt about it. We saw the daily chart. But if you're a daily trader, a day trader, or a scalper, then obviously you can clearly see that we do not have a trend right now, because market is trading in a range. In simple words, it's a sideways market. So let's wait for the market to open. Okay, and that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.